Hello everyone, today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the practical video of phishing attack. So guys, without any further delay, let's begin. So guys, install the termux app in your phone from the Play Store. I will provide the link in the description, and here you need to type the command that I will type here. Okay, first of all type the command apt-get update -y. Let all the packages of the termux be updated. It has been updated and we need to upgrade. So apt-get upgrade -y. So our tool is also upgraded. Then after pkg install curl space -y. It is also installed. Then pkg install wget space -y. It is also installed. Then pkg install git space -y. It is also installed. No need to install now. Then after pkg install php space -y. Press enter. It is also installed in my phone because I am using this phone before. So these all commands are done, and then after we need to paste the link git clone, and there is the link of the sneakphish tool. I will provide you in the description part, and press enter. Now it is cloning into sneakphish and downloading all the files of sneakphish. So wait for a while. Depending upon your internet connection, it will download it. Finally guys, it has been done. So ls to list the files, and then after you can see a sneakphish has been installed and downloaded in my phone in the termux app. So to enter inside it, type the command cd sneakphish, enter, then ls, then type the chmod plus x space star, enter, to make all the programs executable. So ls, now all the programs can run now because they are executable. So then after type the command bash sneakphish.sh, press enter. So guys, finally this tool has been opened here. Sneakphish created by noob hackers. You can also uh, search it in the GitHub. So guys, first of all I will press 1 to start this tool. Then here is all the social media and all platform from where you can get a password and username. So I will try upon the Facebook. So Facebook is in number 2, so I will press number 2. Then after uh, I need to press number 1. You can try another number 2. For the demo purpose I am using number 1. So it is downloading ngdoc in my device. So we will wait for a while, and we don't need to open the hotspot in this tool, and the link will be appear absolutely without any issues. So finally guys, the link has been appeared here, and we will copy it here and we will paste it in the Chrome browser. You can use any browser here. So guys, the login page of the Facebook has been appeared here, and I will type the password here. Sorry, I will type any number. For security reason I typed any wrong number, but absolutely the the username and the password that I will type, it will be shown in the termux app. Let's see here, and type, and in password I will type here demo @hck hack. Okay, then after I will press on the login. You can use here Chrome or Light. I will press a light here. You can select any one of it, no matter. So my Facebook profile has been appeared. No, um, and then we will visit again to the termux app, and you can see guys here. Device info found. Kernel 9 means my mobile version is 9, and you can see all the details over here of my phone, from which state I am, which country, which ISP I am using, and main thing is that your account number and the password is here given. So this was the process. Use it only for the educational purpose. Thanks for watching this video.